In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to delete Payees on the Barclays mobile app. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. In this video, I'm gonna present you two methods to delete Payees in your online banking account. First, for the first method, to delete Payees, you have to use the website instead of the app, and from there you can select Pay and Transfer in the main menu, go to Manage and Track, and click on the Manage Saved Payee List link. And then after finding the payee on the list, you can just cancel it by clicking on the relevant link of that payee. For the second method, and the one I recommend, you can go to their customer services page on the website, and from here, you just have to contact them. You can also use the Contact Us option at the top if you don't want to call any of these numbers to get into contact with Barclays. The reason why I'm showing you these two methods and not on the mobile app is because as of today, Barclays does not offer a way to delete through the mobile app, which means that these two methods are the only ones available to delete payees. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to delete payees through the mobile app. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.